Forget the neckties and tool sets, because someone just gave their dad a custom Rolls-Royce Phantom for Father's Day. And not just any Phantom. This is the one-of-one Phantom Dentelle, a rolling piece of couture art designed for the ultra-wealthy and the incredibly sentimental. The Phantom Dentelle was commissioned by a client in the Middle East as a gift for their father. Yes, a literal Father's Day gift. And Rolls-Royce delivered nothing short of a masterpiece. The name dentelle means lace in French, and it's inspired by a piece of three-dimensional floral couture lace, translated into 160,000 hand-stitched threads across the dashboard and 70,000 more between the rear seats. On the outside, the dentelle wears a two-tone finish, crystal over Arctic white on the lower half, and crystal over Palais Nemasker Dawn up top. And yes, that color is as exclusive as the car itself. Look closer, and you'll see a sunrise-colored coach line that runs across the body and breaks into a delicate hand-painted leafy branch above the rear wheels. The rose gold spirit of ecstasy, just the cherry on top. Step inside, and you're greeted by engraved rose gold sill plates, sunrise and grace white leather, and a level of craftsmanship that blurs the line between car and art gallery. The dashboard's gallery features a custom floral embroidery display, stitched in layers to give it texture and depth. It's Rolls-Royce's most intricate embroidery work to date, and while the dentelle is all elegance, don't forget, it's still a Phantom. Under the hood, a 563 horsepower 6.75-liter V12, ready to deliver silent, effortless performance. There's no official price tag, but with the base Phantom starting at $517,000 and factoring in the bespoke embroidery, custom paint, rose gold finishes, and interior details, you're easily looking at a build well over $750,000, maybe more. But this wasn't about price. It was about craftsmanship, love, and legacy. And in the world of luxury, that might just be priceless. So, while the rest of us scramble for Amazon Prime deals the night before Father's Day, one man just raised the bar forever. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Dentelle isn't just a car, it's a work of art on wheels, made for one very lucky dad. What would your dream bespoke car look like? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane custom car content.